thank you all for being here. You all at some point, you may not know an individual or specifically what it is, but you have helped in some kind of way. I don't have time to go down the line and tell you how each of you are here for a reason, but thank you for being here. I'm excited for you all to see what God put on my heart. It started with my personal journey, as you all very well know, struggling to get healthy and well and to lose weight. And now He has put me in a position to now help others. And I'm ready for the mission. I'm ready for the mission. I wouldn't be here if it weren't for my husband. He probably just wanted to put me out several times. This has been a team effort. And so thank you for everything. And a period behind every letter. Everything. Thank you. So without further ado, I'm going to share more in there, but let's get this party started, shall we? All right, here we go. You captured it. Sharpen the Welcome to Shauné's Kitchen, plant-based nutrition and culinary center.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful